Springfield Township, Ohio, on May 5, 2025, around 7:15 p.m., Officer Austin Branham initiated a traffic stop after identifying a vehicle linked to an outstanding warrant and a suspended license. The driver, a 55-year-old woman from Akron, was detained without resistance. While returning to the vehicle, the officer noticed an unusual detail. A live raccoon was sitting in the driver's seat. Next to it, officers observed drug-related paraphernalia in plain view, which prompted a more thorough search of the vehicle.
Hi, how are we doing today? I'm Officer Brandon, Springfield Township Police Department.
Okay, stop it, Josh. How are you?
So the reason I stopped you is you are suspended with a warrant for your arrest.
I am?
So do me a favor, turn off the car, put the keys up on the dash, detain you for that warrant, and because you are suspended actively. Oh. Hey.
What?
Come here.
Hello?
The raccoon has a breath pipe.
As what?
Oh my God.
Her pipe.
Be...
He's playing with the pipe right now. No, don't reach for it. That's evidence now.
Oh, I don't want him to have that.
That's why I'm gonna do it. Hey, buddy.
Huh?
It's okay.
Okay, you're on Arlington. He'll be here in 2 minutes. I'm right across from my house.
Is that what that
A few minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what she's smoking then.
Okay.
The raccoon's playing with her pipe.
All right.
Oh, there's no way. He's trying to smoke it.
All right. Thanks.
There's no way. All right. Enough fun and games.
Here.
Again?
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, he's on his way here.
Keep an eye. She was trying to take the pipe out of the car. Just keep an eye on her real quick.
During the investigation, authorities discovered a significant quantity of illegal substances and additional evidence of narcotics use. The driver now faces felony possession charges, multiple counts related to paraphernalia, and is being held on an outstanding warrant. The raccoon, which was not harmed, was reported to local authorities to verify proper documentation and handling. This incident highlights how even a routine stop can escalate into a more complex investigation involving controlled substances and wildlife concerns.